Welcome to TraQr, the global paints and coatings industry dashboard. I'll start off by going to coatings by market. This is the global market, and we're seeing a snapshot of 2023. In the table, we show architectural, OEM, and specialty segments. We have a trend chart showing volume and price starting in 2013, running through 2022 historically with 5 years of forecast. Then you see the breakdowns by segment and application at the bottom. You can look at this in gallons or liters and choose any of 10 different currencies. You can also select any region or country that you wish to see in greater detail. With the coatings by region page, you can look at compound annual growth rates in terms of dollars or volume. You can also look at different currencies or segments. We have materials indicators that we can look at in terms of index or raw values. We're currently indexed March of 2020. And we're just showing a couple of examples for simplicity. Here are 2 of 18 base materials or intermediates that we track, titanium dioxide and xylene. You can track these indexed over time, and here you can see that titanium dioxide is up about 33% in June of 22 versus March of 2020. Xylene is up about 600%. We can look at this in terms of value or show it as a data table. We also track global economic indicators. We include about 2,000 of these for most countries throughout the world. Right now, we filtered down to look at architectural, exterior, and interior. We have it set up so that once you choose your application area, our system automatically filters the indicators down using ChemQuest's expertise to suggest the most appropriate indicators for those applications. For simplicity's sake, I filtered down to the USA and chosen single-family permits and 5+ family permits to look at single-family and multifamily housing. You could do this for other countries, applications, or indicators. In this case, the darker line that's trending down is for single-family permits and is roughly 12% below where it was in March 2020. Multifamily permits are up about 63% over that same time period. Further, if we wanted to have a bit of an outlook to actually have forecasting capability, we can look at business cycle analysis, which shows that single-family permits year over year, portrayed by the lighter blue line, is actually down below the 1.0 break-even point. That shows that the latest 12-month moving average is less than it was a year ago. Then if you look at the 3/12, the latest quarter compared to the year-ago quarter, it's also well below the break-even in negative territory. Here you can see that we're showing the phase of D for this part of the business cycle. We break this out into 4 different phases, A through D, where B and C are positive growth above the break-even line, and A and D are below the break-even line, showing declines versus a year ago. We're happy to help companies learn more about the power of business cycle analysis once they subscribe to TraQr. One additional feature that we can look at is forecasting. We have a forecasting feature for both materials and for indicators. This is a 6-month forward look, and it's currently set on xylene. You can see that the forecast shows a central tendency with an upper and lower band, and they are set at a 75% confidence interval. If you have any questions, please reach out to Rich Gibson, and I will get right back to you. Thank you.